Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have a new video planned for today. In lieu of my bass boat catching on fire, my priceless 1988. Rip is right. We have decided that with all the resources that I traded for the Helix 7 that I put on the very front of my boat, we're gonna put it on one of my kayaks, one of my Sun Dolphins. But in order to do that, you need a 12-volt battery and a mount. We're at our lovely neighborhood Walmart, where all the great people converge. And we're gonna look for one of those little mini 12-volt batteries, not Everstart. Everstart's no longer being put in any of my vehicles ever again. And then also a mounting bracket for the fish finder. And if Walmart does not have it, we'll be going over to Dick's Sporting Goods, which for whatever reason is the only sporting store we have.
We don't even have
It's not a Dick's, what is it? Dunham's. We're going to be going to Dunham's, not Dick's. We're going to be going to Dunham's because for whatever reason, Dunham's is the only sporting goods store that this town has that is not Walmart. Let's get in it. We got 12 volts. You can link the two together, boom, you got 12 volts. But I don't think that's how I want to approach this because I don't feel like having another boat fire.
Why not?
True, I do have a replacement kayak Everstart, except for the Noco. But the Noco's freaking shit. This one, 5-year warranty. How long does, how?
You look stressed.
Well, I mean, we could go to I can just look at Dunham's right now. Hold on.
What they have online isn't always what they have in person.
No, but you can look at it on the website and see if they have it in stock at the store. What was it? 9. They don't sell batteries. Yeah, I think I can get away with a 3 amp hour for now. We got 10 and 14. Okay. And those two have been opened, so shame on whoever opened those.
I'm really excited about this.
What, the little Uzuri? We ended up getting it just the little NLP9. It's a lithium, it's not Everstart, it is Noco. If I had a choice of using Noco, like the battery starters in the wintertime for this thing, I would. So I'm kind of excited to see how this works for the kayak. It's not heavy at all. At all. Now this guy, I don't know what this guy's doing. What is this guy doing? It's a V8. Use it like one. Yeah, go. You gonna get got. This is what you're gonna do. Yeah, you're gonna get freaking got. So as you can tell, these are pretty filthy. We have to spray these out because these have been in the barn for like 2 years. Turn this off. Oh my god, so noisy. Anyway, kayaks are now rinsed out, and tomorrow in the morning, probably gonna wake up at 6 o'clock again as I have been, even though I start work tomorrow evening. We are going to start on getting these kayaks put back together and ready to go for being out on the water. Which, here is the Noco Lithium NLP9. I've already got the plastic taken off, so you won't have to endure that on camera. That is a thick packet, oh my goodness. It comes with its own little bracket. Here she is. Just a little itty bitty tiny baby. Pretty. So it does show this top piece as being a removable mounting bracket or mounting block. But looking at it, it is a hex key that is bigger than the one that I am supplied with. And this is just a spacer. Just so it's able to set. Alright, well, I can't wait to put this on one of the kayaks. Alright, it's been a couple days. Been over a week. But finally, hey, focus on me. Focus on me. I'm the subject here. We got the mounting pole for the kayak and my Helix 7. My Helix 7. One issue, this little hole right here is just a little bit too small for the actual mounting bolt, so we have to do a little bit of modification, which we're going to do right now. Let's get to it. What kind of project would this be if I didn't have my Milwaukee? Guess what? I have my Milwaukee. So we need to drill this piece right here to match the same diameter of hole as the locking washer for my fish finder. I think this is going to be a 1/4 inch. Oh my god. Now, this should be able to slide in. Perfect! It is an extremely windy and very foggy day out today. So I apologize for any wind noise. My camera does not have a 3.5mm jack like I thought it did. So you're dealing with the stereo microphones that are like right here on the camera. So I'm probably going to put most of this into time lapse or just speed it up a little bit. You'll kind of see what we're doing. Without taking too much time, my plan is to put this finder about right here on the kayak, and the transducer goes down about right there. Still have to figure out how to rotate it properly and everything, but yeah, here we go. Let's get to it. all I have to say is, what the hell was I thinking when I put all that electrical tape on there to manage transducer wire? Okay, so my camera died in some point of me putting this fish finder on my boat. However, I did complete it. I just said screw it. I let the battery on my camera charge. So here's the finished product. So now it just comes down to figuring out storage and where I'm going to obviously put my kayak so it doesn't just set out all the time, and making some quick disconnects for the battery and getting an actual battery box for it. See, Carly and I did go garage sailing a couple days ago, and we ended up finding this, a Minn Kota battery compartment, which when I initially bought it, I was just like, oh yeah, that'll fit in the back of one of these kayaks just fine. And it doesn't. It's just a little bit too big for, just a little bit too big for it. So, I don't know, I think I might retrofit one of my utility boxes into a storage compartment. I'm not sure yet, but I do need to make some quick disconnects. Bring this battery in when it's not being used. But yeah, this is, might be a little excessive for a kayak. No, it's not excessive, not at all. I'm not going to let the fact that my Skeeter decided to burn down prevent me from using that Helix at all. Because that Helix cost me $150, a Denali rod, and a lot of fishing lures, like brand new fishing lures from 6th Sense, some JDM, like from Japan jackhammers. It took a lot to be able to get that. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. If you want to see more of this kind of content, leave a comment on where you guys think I should take that as my first little expedition. See ya.